by the way you offer your portfolios, by the way you offer your service, and by the way you look at each customer's requirement without clubbing them into one class, particularly in the context where banks facilitate the distribution of insurance products. I wish to say this for due consideration of the bank's boards. While this model has significantly contributed to improving insurance penetration across the country, it has also raised concerns about instances of misselling, and I would say added or contributed in indirect ways of increased cost of borrowing for the customers. So banks will have to look at it with a lot more emphasis on their core banking activities and not burden customers with insurances which they don't require. So banks must prioritize on transparency, ethical practices, and clear communication strategies for us to.
नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। और फ्रेंड्स, बात करते हैं कि बैंकों में क्रॉस सेलिंग इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट बेचने के लिए जो बैंकों इंश्योरेंस के अंतर्गत होता है, इसकी पहले भी बहुत बारे में आलोचना हो चुकी है कि हम जबरदस्ती कस्टमर्स को इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट बेच देते हैं और उनका कॉस्ट बढ़ जाता है, कॉस्ट ऑफ बोरोइंग बढ़ाने के लिए। इस संबंध में IRDAI takes big action against insurance mis-selling in banks. IRDAI plans change in the bank insurance model. और इस बारे में एक वीडियो भी है जो स्टेट बैंक के एक फंक्शन में वित्त मंत्री ने कहा कि बैंकर्स को फोकस करना चाहिए कोर बैंकिंग के ऊपर इंस्टेड ऑफ द mis-selling of the insurance products. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India is planning an important change in the way banks and insurance companies work together. According to a report, IRDAI has suggested to the Ministry of Finance that the current commission-based model in bank insurance should be replaced with a transaction fee model. These changes are being made due to the various complaints by bank customers about the mis-selling of insurance products. Earlier, the RBI governor and the Indian finance minister had raised voice against mis-selling of insurance products in banks. What change in IRDAI proposing? The IRDAI now wants to replace the commission model with a transaction fee model. This means that instead of getting a commission from the insurance company, the bank will earn a fee for every transaction or sale it makes. According to a report, this transaction fee will not have an upper limit, no ceiling, and the price will be set by the markets. Why this change is being suggested? Over the past few years, both the Ministry of Finance and IRDAI have received complaints from the customer about forced selling or mis-selling of insurance products by banks. Many customers feel pressured to buy policies they don't need just so bank can meet their sales targets and earn commissions. To address these concerns, in 2023, IRDAI set up a task force to carefully study the bank insurance model, identify problems, and suggest ways to improve it. Some of the main issues IRDAI is worried about are banks pushing poor quality insurance products, uneven or unfair incentives for selling certain products. Recently, RBI had fined Bank of Baroda for violation of the norms related to insurance selling in banks. The bank allowed an insurance company to give non-cash incentive such as gifts or other benefits to bank employees who were involved in the selling insurance. जब कमीशन का खेल चलने लगा और बड़े अधिकारियों को कमीशन के लिए हमारे नीचे के अधिकारियों या कर्मचारियों पर प्रेशर, अनड्यू प्रेशर आने लगा और इस तरह से कस्टमर विक्टिमाइज होने लगे। सो इन सब बातों को देखते हुए IRDAI ने नया प्लान लागू करने का सोचा है। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते।